up here?
No, he was up there visiting Irene
They
and Phyllis.
originated Festivus.
Visiting who?
Irene and Phyllis?
Oh.
What do you
With a
say?
listing of grapes. There's the grievances. People really pissed me off.
Say thank you.
So you're not going to do it
So
Saturday?
Festivus.
No.
She said please.
What's Saturday?
Let's plan it, sometime so that everybody can clear their calendars.
Yeah,
so
maybe we'll do it
Ted's in
sometime
town.
over the summer, we'll plan it ahead of time.
What are you talking about?
We were gonna go to Sullivan's Bar on Henry.
Oh, yes, they opened it. You sent me that thing.
Yeah, it all
When are we going?
I don't know, we gotta go.
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow night?
Oh, it's video. That's why you're doing that, aren't you?
As long as we're
Oh no, I'm just doing, yeah, I'm doing, don't mind me.
Yeah.
original song.
Just don't say anything you don't want anybody else to know.
Well,
it's
someone
about
else bought it.
Well, they're renting it.
Wait,
These
which
two boys are
one is?
renting
What
it.
was the name of the place?
Long Island Restaurant.
It's Long Island Restaurant. It's not Montero.
No, it's Harris's down the block.
This is the same location.
Same location.
Yeah, they're renting
People renting it from
Emma's
them.
place, and they're keeping true to the whole decor of the place and
Chinitos?
everything. And they're
I
not.
was gonna say, the menu-
They don't have a menu yet. They didn't have a chef. They were looking for a good chef.
But they have a person who makes excellent drinks.
Right, they
Right,
said
it
that. Yes, they have a
And
mixologist.
they're going to have a seat for Emma
Look at
and
it.
Maruja and Pepita. They'll have chairs.
With their names on them. With their names on them for them to.
Hey Kai, so you're talking about the Milans?
Yes, yeah. We were gonna try to go there Saturday night with Uncle
There was
Joseph.
something-
Susan was gonna come in, Teddy and Gloria,
Supposed to
Irene
be
and
Saturday.
Phyllis.
When I'm in the Poconos.
Uncle Joseph is leaving
Uncle
Saturday
Joseph's
morning.
leaving Saturday morning. It's not happening.
Yeah.
We're gonna do it again. We'll get the Solis clan. We'll get the Gainza clan. We'll make sure you're not in the Poconos. And
That's
he's not
right.
in Vermont.
Enjoying a very nice jazz show.
Because I said the Solis, and none of them really their listings on Solis. But they're the children of the Solis girls and boys.
Got a little video here.
So we'll do that. Maybe sometime in the spring or something. The only thing is you're gonna have to get a babysitter because you have to bring your brother. Yes.
But you have to have someone in the kitchen.
Want to change your hair? If you don't want to
Haley, come with me. Come this way.
Logan.
do you have a bag?
Olive bread pudding. Who up here is Jewish?
Hey,
Your daughter's Jewish? Did you know that?
happy
I heard.
Oh, I'm telling you, you gotta hear the Hanukkah song, Amanda, you would
I
love
ate
it.
something charming. And yes, I made that. You helped me carry that in.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a piece of it, I'm just making it.
No, it's fine. I'm more of the same with him where you helped me carry that in.
But he didn't know you made it.
But the Hanukkah song is so cute.
We're talking about the Adam Sandwich?
No, the new one.
Show me.
I don't know how to do that on here.
Like Thanksgiving.
My daddy's working.